Today we're reviewing Manus 1.5, the AI agent claiming to automate your digital tasks, manage projects, analyze data, and basically act like a fully independent virtual employee. The marketing looks impressive, promising an AI that thinks, decides, and executes without supervision. But is Manus really that advanced, or just another overhyped AI assistant? Let's start with what actually works. Manus 1.5 is noticeably faster than its previous versions. It handles multi-step tasks more smoothly, organizes information properly, and can connect to external tools with fewer errors. For research tasks, writing summaries, building task lists, or generating workflows, it performs reliably. The interface is clean, and its memory system helps it maintain context better than many simple chatbots. But here's the reality check. Calling Manus an autonomous agent is a stretch. It still requires human correction, especially for complex tasks like managing full projects, executing financial actions, or making strategic decisions. It doesn't operate with true autonomy. Instead, it chains together smaller steps and sometimes gets stuck, requiring manual input to continue. Another limitation is accuracy. While Manus can generate ideas quickly, it still occasionally produces incorrect assumptions or incomplete plans. For creative tasks, it's decent, but for technical or critical workflows, you'll need to verify everything. Pricing is another concern. The subscription cost feels high for an AI that still needs supervision. You're not getting a fully independent worker. You're getting a powerful assistant that speeds up tasks, but doesn't replace human thinking. Final verdict. Manus 1.5 is a solid productivity tool, not a game-changing autonomous agent. It's useful for automation, planning, and repetitive workflows. But the AI employee claim is definitely exaggerated good tool, but manage your expectations.